Testing. Hello, my name is Ziham Zawawi bin Mazlan. I am from Sekolah Kebangsaan Seberang Jaya, Penang. My topic for IConFEd 2020 is gender and types of school comparison in students' images of geometry mediated through GeoGebra. So there are 6 topics that I'm going to present. Introduction, methods of collecting and analyzing data, data collection and data sources, data analysis, findings, and references. Okay, for the first topic, there are 4 subtopics for the first topic, which are what is GeoGebra, problem statement, purpose of inquiry, and significance of inquiry. So what is GeoGebra? GeoGebra is a computer program or software for mathematics, especially for learning geometry and algebra. And GeoGebra also is a free online software application for the study of geometry, algebra, and calculus at grade level and different teaching. Problem statement. As you can see from figure 1.1, this is a trend in numeracy achievement for Malaysian 15 years old in PISA from 2019 to 2018. Even though there is an increment, but still the result in 2018 is still below OECD level. And going deeper into the data, 59% of the respondents are at level 2 of mathematical literacy as shown in figure 1.2. While based on teams result, the differences in achievement for geometry domain across assessment year from 2007 to 2015 shows that uh, Malaysian 8th graders still show a significant low as compared to 2007. So, based on this, technology is effective to help students construct their knowledge and understanding. So, I am suggesting to use GeoGebra to help students in Malaysia to increase their achievement in geometry. The concept of image of geometry has been adapted and reconstructed from Lin Chapsam 1999 images of mathematics, which consists of cognitive dimension and affective dimension. Cognitive dimension can be divided into image as person's belief and image as person's knowledge, while affective dimension can be divided into image as person attitudes and image as person's feelings and emotions. This conceptual paper is intended to identify the difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra among the different gender and type of schools. Inquiry question. The first one is there any difference between the range of image in geometry mediated to GeoGebra among the different gender, and is there any difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra among the different types of school? Significance of the inquiry. It will explore and identify the range of images for year 3 students from both cognitive and affective dimension towards geometry mediated through GeoGebra, considering comparison between the difference in terms of gender and types of school. Next is topic 2, research design and research variable for future study. The future study is a one-group pre-test post-test design in which one group of pupils will undergo a series of intervention for 2 weeks. The intervention is using learning geometry using GeoGebra. Research variable for independent variable is teaching approach using GeoGebra in learning geometry, while independent variable is images of geometry mediated through GeoGebra portrayed by different type of schools and gender. Topic 3. Population and samples, also instruments. Suggested population is dual language program or DLP primary schools in Northern Peninsula of Malaysia, while sensible population is year 3 primary school students in Penang. While future sample is one DLP school will be selected for this future study. Instrument that will be used for this study is SIGS or Students Images of Geometry Survey. They can be divided into two sections, which are Section A and Section B. For data analysis strategies for future research, SPSS version 27.0 will be used to find any difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra among the different gender and type of school. The Wilcoxon sign rank tells will be used to determine any outliers that appear far away from most of the data. If there are not many outliers that appear far away from most of the data, paired samples t-test can be carried out. The paired sample t-test will be used to compare two means that are from the same individual object or related units. The purpose of the test is to determine whether there is statistical evidence that the mean difference between paired observation on a particular outcome is significantly different from zero. Topic 5. Finding. As this is a conceptual paper, there is no data being collected. So data will be based on the literature collected. Finding from literature, inquiry question number 1. Is there any difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra among the different gender? Bayram 2004 used geometry attitude scale to assess students' attitudes towards geometry and found out that there was no statistically significant mean different girl in terms of attitude. Weil and Leder 2004 reported that male attitudes towards computer-based mathematics to be more closely correlated with positive attitudes towards computer than towards mathematics itself as compared to female. Ng et al. 2016 found no significant difference in attitude to learning mathematics with technology to be based on gender in schools in Sabah, while Zainal Abidin et al. 2017 found that both boys and girls reveal positive feelings about technology used in mathematics. For inquiry question 2, is there any difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra among the different types of school? Students in rural schools endorse the use of GeoGebra as a technological tool in learning of Euclidean geometry. According to Magellan 2003, 92% of students from lower socioeconomic areas in America who were taught using ethnomathematics software was statistically significant different on unit examination test score. Zaliha and Sairatul Nadia found that students in rural school area in Pontian, Johor benefit most in analyzing 3D and visualizing 2D geometry by using GeoGebra. Conclusion: based on literature, it is clear that boy and girl have no significant difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra. For second conclusion, based on literature, it is clear that rural school student has more significant difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra compared to urban school students. Recommendation for future research. Further research should be conducted to test whether there is any difference between the range of images in geometry mediated through GeoGebra among the different gender in other level of primary students. With that, I thank you. I can be contacted using my email address as stated here, and all my publication can be retrieved through ResearchGate as stated here.